Hey there, it's Alex from RDP Arena. In today's video, I will show you how you can get extra storage for free on your RDP server. First, you'll need to sign up for a free cloud storage account on mega.io. Mega is an online cloud storage and file hosting service that focuses primarily on privacy and encryption. They offer end-to-end encryption, which makes them a safe place to store your files. To sign up, open your RDP browser and head on over to mega.io. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right to register your free account. The registration process is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is enter your name, email address, and password. After that, you should be good to go. If you're having any trouble signing up for a free account, don't worry. I've left a link to a video tutorial in the description. Now, since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and log in. As you can see, I have successfully logged in. The interface is very simple, and you get 20 gigabytes of cloud storage with a free account. This extra storage is perfect for storing backups, media files, or any large files that you don't need on your RDP server all the time. Now, let me walk you through how to upload and download files using the cloud storage drive. To upload a file, click the Upload button, and then select Upload File. Select the file on your computer that you want to upload, and click Open. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom left corner of your browser. Once it's done, the file will appear in your cloud drive. As you can see, the upload is now complete, and the file is now available on the cloud drive. To download this file, just right-click on it, and select Download. The file will be downloaded to your browser's download folder. And that's how easy it is to get free online storage using Mega on your RDP. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.